Hi, I'm Maitri Ramaya. I'm a nutritionist and inch loss coach. Thank you for watching us, and we are happy to receive regular feedbacks from you on the kind of information you want. Keep the love flowing. We live in an era where the food that comes to us on our plate is chemically treated. Water is mostly contaminated and heavily treated. The air we breathe is heavily polluted, and the lifestyle is less from perfect. All this over a period of time creates a nutritional gap, which, if not addressed, can create huge health problems in the future. Now, this makes it mandatory to start investing in health and wellness products, which starts mounting our monthly expenses. So I was in the search of good quality health products at affordable rates, and that's when I came across Modicare. Now, in all my diets, I recommend Amla and Aloe Vera juices to be had in the morning, as well as multivitamins post your breakfast. And let me tell you, after I started using this, I have seen a huge difference in my skin, my hair, and my energy levels. Modicare has the entire variety from Amla aloe vera juices to vitamin B, D3, calcium, glucosamine, and a host of other nutrients which are beneficial to our body. Its USP is that they are high quality ingredients taken from nature and blended into formulation. Vedic formula blends ancient Ayurvedic wisdom along with modern science to give you ultra wellness protection. I got my stuff through this number. You can connect with them to get your set of affordable nutrition. Till then, stay fit, stay strong.